you guys, welcome to my channel. I am Tyra, Raquel, or Tyra No Banks, everyone you want to call me. And as you see in my previous video, I'm wearing the same outfit. This is the same day, okay? And I just came in the house and I was just like, let me go ahead and get this haul out of the way. So I'm moving into my first apartment, which is a big thing because I've never lived alone in college. I've always had a roommate. I've never had a single room. And then when I came back home, I moved into my parents' house, which this my mama window. You feel me? Her picture, her little letters, or that's hers, well, hers and my daddy's, but you know. But you know, this is their house, and I'm getting older, and I'm finally able to plant my feet into the ground all the way to where I can move into my own place. So I had my first video of this series of me touring this apartment. I fell in love with the apartment when I seen it on Instagram. I left the guy, my real estate agent, I left his information down in that video, and it's also going to be in the apartment shopping video too. I'm going to leave his information in each one of these videos. When I do like actually get the keys to my apartment, I'm going to do an empty apartment tour. So yeah, we're gonna do our first little shopping haul of this. So first, what I wanted to show y'all is I went to Home Depot and I got boxes. They're over there. I got like 2 regular small boxes, 4 heavy duty boxes, and then 2 medium boxes. I'm gonna start packing. I got a lot of books and a lot of stuff that I don't really use, so that can really already be like packed away. So I'm gonna start packing tomorrow, and then during my little break I'm gonna start packing up that. I also need to pack up clothes. I just don't know what clothes to pack up, like, because I you know, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So that's gonna be an interesting one. I could start packing the clothes that are in my dressers and stuff. So I'll do that first before I get to the ones in my closet, because the ones in my closet is just like, you know, I don't know which one I want to pack. But the ones in my drawers, I definitely know which ones to pack. But I bought this big old roll of packing tape. Excuse me, y'all. And then next, Dollar General stuff. All this stuff came from Dollar General. I believe all of the stuff that I got in here was $1. Yeah, it ain't Dollar Tree, but yep, everything that I got in the bag was $1. I also did get somebody Christmas gifts. They have some good gifts, like little gift sets and stuff, so I actually got somebody that. But I got these little clips, and this is for chips, cereal. If I like rip the bag open too big, you know, anything to clip, like anything for like freezer, say my peppers, open my peppers, roll it up, clip it. So I just ended up getting the rest of these. I don't know where the other ones are. They in this bag somewhere. And baby, I'm gonna wash these on some bleach. Some bleach and some salt water, honey, because I was smelling my hands and I was just like, my hands smell like rubber, and I just been all touching over the store. I just thought about the germs, and I just sprayed my hand with sanitizer. When I came home, I washed my hands. But here's another one of the clips. Let me know if anybody else is like that. You just think about like everything you've touched, and some people really don't wash their hands, y'all. Like, I've witnessed people not wash their hands. Y'all know I'm a teacher. We wash our hands a lot. My hands be dry as hell. So yeah. But here's the third little clip. And like I said, all my like utensils like this, they're gonna be black. But like my silverware, they're gonna be silver. They gotta be cute. And then my bowls and plates and stuff, they're gonna be white. My friend told me when getting plates and bowls, just get enough for me, so I should only get 2. But I was telling her I want to get 4. Because I don't know, 4 is just like 4 is a good number for me, and I don't really want to sit and use the same 2 bowls, 2 plates. and stuff. I do have some bowls here. I got some red bowls, which is just, it makes me cringe because I only got those because they were $2 and they don't match my color scheme, but they're gonna be in the cabinet. So I'm taking those, and I have like a bunch of like coffee cups and like Starbucks cups. I have a whole bunch of those, so all that's going with me. Do I have anything else? I don't have any like Tupperware or anything like that, but I just have like bowls and cups. So I'm still gonna buy like 4 glasses, so plates, bowls, glasses, and then spoons, forks, knives. And then I'm also gonna get me a little knife set. I should have got that knife set I seen in Dollar General, but I was like, I'm really picky. But anyways, I got this black plastic spatula. Who doesn't need a spatula when cooking? And then I also got this metal, stainless steel. I couldn't think of the word. I'm like, metal? The stainless steel. All of this is dishwasher safe. And then I also got another spatula, and it doesn't tell me if it's dishwasher safe, but I probably won't put this. Just learning from actually living here, I probably will hand wash these wooden ones, so they won't wear and tear as quickly because they are cheap. So this is not the spatula, but here it is, this one. So this one I'm gonna use more so like when I have to, I'm buying me some cookies, some Toll House cookies, baby. So when I do like Toll House cookies and like stuff that I can, you know, scoop out of the whatever pot or pan or whatever that I'm doing, I can use this. So I got 3 different types: plastic, stainless steel, and then wooden. And then, okay. Sorry y'all for the interruption, but anyways, like I was saying, I got this wooden spoon, and usually with these types of spoons, I usually use it for pasta. I don't think I'll use it for like when I'm making spaghetti, but like when I'm making chicken Alfredo and stuff with Alfredo sauce, I will use this spoon. Anything to stir rice, vegetables, like this spoon. I also got this one. I just was like 2 different types, and they're only $1 short. And like I said in my vlog, I really like the wooden look too. I believe I got another. I got this spoon again when you're cooking, or even when you're like making punch and stuff like that. I don't drink Kool-Aid anymore, and I don't think I'm gonna start back. I'm more of like a lemonade, tea, water type girl. Sometimes I've been drinking soda lately. I'm gonna have to stop. But yeah. And then I also got a stainless steel spoon, and dishwasher safe, except for the wooden ones. And then I also got this 4-piece measuring cup set, dishwashing safe, and the brand for this is True Living. True Living Essentials, True Living, so it's all True Living. And yeah, I just got measuring cups. I feel like I'm gonna need these one day, especially when, you know, making stuff and to be like, you need 1/4 or something. This will definitely come in handy, and it's black, which I'm happy, so that's why I got it, and it was only $1. I was like, why not? And I got these tongs. Usually when I cook my spaghetti, I cook the noodles separate, and then the meat and sauce separate, and then I have them in separate pots. And so I like to get, I'm guessing I gotta like, I don't want to break it, y'all. You know it's cheap, and you don't, but I feel like I gotta like pop it or something for it to actually do the, you know, y'all know what I'm talking about. But I actually picked this up with like, pick my noodles up like that. So, and I use this for other stuff too. So I was like, it's $1, and it's aesthetically pleasing to my pleasing. So yeah. And then lastly in the bag, I got some AA batteries, and then I got some AAA batteries, and it's 8 batteries in each pack. And I know some of the stuff that I have, like I bought this lamp to go on my desk because it's not going to be like a lot of stuff out like how my room is now. It's not going to be like that. So I bought some batteries to go on the lamp. Like, that didn't really make sense in my story, but my lamp needs batteries, so yeah. But it's not gonna be cluttered, so I'm gonna really have to figure some things out. I think I know where I'm gonna put my books. I do have that like little bookshelf in my room with books on it, but it's gonna go in my, so in my dining room area, I'm not getting a dining room table. I have a bar, so I'm getting a bar stool. So that's what, like, I'm gonna sit, or if I want to sit on my couch and eat, which I most likely that's probably where I'm gonna eat. If I don't sit in my bar stools. So my dining area is gonna be my office. And then if I just happen to, start earning, $100,000 more this year, then I'll upgrade to a 2-bedroom, or even, I don't need no 3-bedroom. What I need 3 bedrooms for, unless I'm gonna make a room a closet. But if I upgrade to a 2-bedroom, I will use the smaller bedroom as my office, and then I would actually get me a dining room table. And then if I do get me a dining room table, I know what type of dining room table I want. But hopefully, by the time I graduate, I have a better paying job. Like, I love my job now, but I have a better paying job, and I'm actually making money again off of YouTube. And my books blow up, like, y'all, like, my books will blow up. I will have a better job. I will pass my certification for teaching. Like, you got to speak stuff into existence. So I will have that 2-bedroom apartment, or I will have that house that I'm building in my mind. You got to speak stuff into existence. But anyways, before we get too deep, the last thing that I got that I don't think I showed, because I just happened to see it, is a doormat. And that's probably why my hands smelled rubbery, because, woo, this smelled like a tire. But I was just like, this is like, when I looked at it, I was like, this is cute. It's black. It's simple, a simple pattern. It looked like dominoes, or it looked like brownies or something. But, and it was $6. Yep, it was $6, a doormat. And so, I knew I wanted a doormat. I didn't want a doormat to stay at home. I didn't really want a doormat to say anything. I just wanted a simple doormat, and this works for me. This is my cup of tea, okay? And so people won't be able to, I'm sure dirt will still come into my house, but it'll clean shoes and stuff. And it says thick carpet cleans shoes and traps water. Stain-resistant carpet surface, durable recyclable rubber base for indoor or outdoor use, and this will be used for my front door. So, and I'm thinking about getting like a little cute door piece to put on my door. I'm not sure yet. I kind of sort of want like a dream catcher type thing, but then again, I don't know how I feel about it. But this is the last thing that I got in my haul. So that's all I got today was utensils. Like, I didn't get any plates. They didn't have any cute plates. They didn't have any cute, any more cute bathroom stuff. I'm really gonna have to look. I feel like I'm gonna have to look on like Amazon or something to like get the bathroom stuff that, I'm sleepy, y'all. I'm so sorry. Get the bathroom stuff that I want. That color pink, I don't know. Like, it was the color, but it should have been a different rug. Like, that color should have been on the little other soft rug that I was looking at. Like, then I'm trying to figure out, do I want my rug to be pink, like, or do I just want to keep it like gray rug or black rug in the bathroom? So it's gonna be a rug in front of the tub and then one in front of the sink. I don't do the rug on the toilet or in front of the toilet. I don't do that. Do I want it to be black or gray? And then with the shower curtain, do I want it to be black? Do I want it to be clear? I don't want it to be white. Or do I want it to be like, if I can find something that's very like aesthetically pleasing with the colors. Okay, and then add the rose gold. I didn't get those rose gold cups that I was gonna get because it's like they're not gonna be seen, so why get them? But to get rose gold accents in the bathroom, and then that be my bathroom. So let me know what y'all think. Like, I hope y'all see where I'm going with this. Like, my room, I'm gonna take, I told my mama that I was gonna take that New York picture. So that's gonna go in my room. So that can give y'all a hint of what my apartment is going to, the vibe is gonna have. Like, that gives y'all a hint. So if y'all like this little apartment shopping video, make sure y'all thumbs up, like, and become a brownie. Check out the books for, well, first of all, check out my website, www.thebrowniesquad.com. Check that out. And then you could also check me out on Amazon. For my books, I have 9 of them. I'm coming out with some more soon. And then follow me on my social media. Why not? Like, duh, y'all can know what I'm doing when I'm not on YouTube. But make sure y'all like this video, y'all. I'm having so much fun, and I'm so happy to like take y'all along with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.